Hello students, let's start with the next topic of Python. In this video I will discuss about the basic operations in lists. List is a sequence of values called items or elements. The elements can be of any type. The structure of list is similar to the structure of a string. Suppose I develop or declare this list L1. How can you declare the list? Is equal to, you can write one keyword list here and inside round bracket, and then in square bracket you can write some elements. And what about the elements? Suppose elements are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. Then address of these elements starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And also the address of these elements is starting from reverse order. The last element is -1, then -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and -8. Let us check whether the contents are appropriate inside programming or not. Print L1. Suppose I write print L1. Let us check. The list is there 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 and then 70, 80. Suppose I write like this, print, then L1 and inside square bracket colon is there. Then you can easily print out the value. It means both the commands are similar. You can write in this way or this way. Suppose I write print L1 0. Now execute the program. It means you can print the first element, address 0. If I write 1, then you can print the second element, that is 20. If I write -1, it means you can print the last element, because -1 location is for last element. Suppose I write print L1 1 colon 4. Check the output. The elements are 20, 30 and 40. 20, 30 and 40. Now what is the meaning of this? The elements of location 1, 2 and 3 are there. It means this value is included. First value is included and second is excluded. It means you can display elements from first to third location or first to third address. Suppose I write print. These are the basic commands of lists L1. Then I write colon 5. Let us execute this. Okay. Check the program. It will give us 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. What is the meaning of this? 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Last number is not included, it's excluded. It means it gives us the elements from start position location. Please remember this. The last value is not included, it's excluded. The first value is included inside the list when you want to print out the values. Suppose I write in reverse order like this. Suppose I write 2, then colon, then blank. Now check the output. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. What is the meaning of 2? This one. It means value is 30. And from 30 onwards, all the values are there. Means values from second address onwards. All the values are there. Suppose I write print L1 then colon 2. Now what is the meaning of this? By using this command, you can print all the odd values 10, 30, 50 and 70. What is the meaning of these two columns? All the values are there. What is the meaning of last two? It means the step is there. It means the first value plus 2 means location is added 2 times, twice. It means second value is 30, then 50, then 70, up to so on. Suppose I write print, let I fix the first value L1 1 colon 2. Now what is the meaning of this? It means you can print the values on even locations because the first location is 1, 20, then the next is 40, then 60, then 80. These values are there. It means you can print here, you can print the odd locations. Here you can print the even locations. Suppose I write print L1 colon -1. Now what is the meaning of this? Let us check. Okay. With this command, you can print all the numbers in reverse order because the starting point is -1. Basically, this point is there 80, 70, then 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. Basically, you are printing the values in reverse order. Now, if you have to find the length of the list, then simply you can write len, it's one keyword inside Python, length L1. Check the output here. The answer is 8. Here is the answer. This one. It means you can find length. If you have to find the maximum value, then you can write max L1. Execute this. You will find the maximum value, that is 80. If you have to find the minimum value inside the list, then you can find the minimum value by writing min. Min is again one keyword inside Python, -10. If you have to find the sum of all the numbers, Suppose I write sum, then L1, execute it. It's a 360 after adding all these values. In this video, you will learn to display the list and different ways of displaying the list, or particular elements, or to display particular set of elements inside the list, how to find length, and how to find maximum value, minimum value, and sum of the elements in the list. In the next video, I will discuss about different operators used in the list. Thank you.